Dada.
Mama.
Yeah, dada.
So, I'm pretty tired right now. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. We're just making our way out. My legs are wrecked from all the hiking and especially that ride we did yesterday. We rode so hard coming back because Poppy was just screaming the whole time. We're going into town. I'm gonna get a hamburger and some gelato and show you guys what the town is like. I'm gonna film it on this thing, so it's gonna be epic. Alright, this has been epic so far. Exactly what you see in the movies. Exactly how the streets look and the buildings. It's awesome. There's little Vespas everywhere with cars. It's pretty cool. We are going into this church right now. It's awesome. I went in there a couple days ago, but we're going to give you a tour. We are now at the Embassy Cafe bar and going through the menu, and look at what we just found. Panini toast e-burger, and there it is. Where's the avocado? No avocado? Oh, just kidding. So toast is pretty popular here. I have had several servings of toast. When you ask for toast, it's not just a piece of bread that's toasted with butter. It's like a panini. It's a hot, like, ham and cheese pressed sandwich. It's so good. You can get mushrooms on it. Oh, it's so good. So that's like the thing to get here. If you ask for toast, that's what they're gonna give you. Today, right now, we're going for the burger. Puppy's having like some cappuccino foam. Puppy, is that good? Little birdie. Ain't no little bird gonna steal my hamburger. Alright, so if you're wondering why I'm getting a hamburger in Italy, it's because I consider myself a hamburger connoisseur. Whenever I have the opportunity to get a burger, I will. And I'm a very, very critical judge on a hamburger. So, when in Italy and you have an opportunity to get a hamburger, of course, I'm gonna get a hamburger.
This magic moment, so different and so new, was like any other, until I kiss you, and then it happened.
All right, that burger was actually pretty good. Had some Italian beef with melted Swiss cheese, some tomatoes, lettuce, and then they added their own little touch on it with this type of meat called speck. It's just like prosciutto. I can't tell the difference between prosciutto and speck, but that's what was on there, was speck.
It took me by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, by the look in your eyes, sweeter than wine, softer than the summer night. Everything I want, I have, whenever I hold you tight. This magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, will last forever, forever till the end of time. Oh, oh, oh,
All right, we're getting our gelato. Cafe. Poppy, what'd you get? Strawberry?
Raspberry.
Poppy just smashed me.
Oh, I'll go get a napkin for Dad, okay?
Sarah stole all of Poppy's ice cream.
No, Poppy stole all of my ice cream. And my cappuccino. And my sandwich.
That's not what I saw. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you guys a bird's eye view of the town. Check it out. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.